Hazardous area classification is crucial for ensuring safety in environments where flammable gases, vapors, dust, or fibers are present. Here's why it's important. The primary purpose of HAC is to protect workers by identifying hazardous areas and implementing safety measures to prevent explosions and fires. Explosions and fires can cause significant damage to equipment, infrastructure, and facilities. Proper classification helps prevent costly incidents. Many industries must follow hazardous area standards by law or face fines, legal action, or shutdowns. HAC helps organizations prevent risks, reduce accidents, and ensure business continuity. Identifying areas where explosive atmospheres can occur and implementing control measures reduces the risk of accidents. Providing a safer work environment for employees by minimizing exposure to hazardous conditions. Thank you for watching. For more information, you can visit us at www.sigma-hse.co.in.